Hello friends, in this video we are going to see under basic tactics clearance theme. If a square which is occupied by a piece is needed for some other piece to gain advantage, the originally occupied piece should be removed to be replaced by a more important one to gain material or even winning advantage. Often this less important piece is removed with a tactical stroke or sacrifice to ensure a winning position. So if you like this video, kindly press like button and subscribe button. Now moving on to the position, we see there is a knight check on c6 which forks the king and rook. So the rook on c6 has to be removed powerfully. So white plays rook into g6, winning a pawn. So after rook into g6, if h into g6, then knight c6 check, and then knight into rook, and the g pawn is also attacked. So white can win easily. So black tried after rook into g6, rook into e5, capturing the knight. But after f into e5, h into g6, the e pawn cannot be stopped. So white wins easily. Moving on to the next position, we have a black queen standing on the same diagonal as the white queen. The black queen is unsupported. So white plays bishop g5, clearing the h6 square for knight check. So if bishop into g5, then knight h6 check and wins the queen on d7. Suppose if the king moves avoiding the check, then bishop into bishop wins a piece here. So we'll move on to the next position. Here there is a knight g8 mate is there. So white plays bishop to c4, preventing rook c8 check. So after rook into c4, knight g8 is mate. So bishop cleared the g8 square for the knight check here. Now moving on to the next position, you can see that there is queen h7 is a mate here. So white clears the two rooks standing on the first rank. He plays first rook h8 check. King into h8 is forced now. Now again rook h1 check. King g8. Again rook h8 check. King into h8. Queen h1 check. King g8. Queen h7 mate. Here in this position, white sees there is a combination involving bishop and queen. So he first plays knight e7 check, moving the black queen from f7. So queen to e7 is now forced. Now again he clears the rook h8 check. If king f7, then bishop g6 check is there. King into g6 is forced. After king into g6, queen h5 is mate. So he cannot play king f7 for rook h8. If he plays king into h8, then queen h5 check, king g8, queen h7 check, king f7, bishop g6 is mate here. So he cleared knight and rook in this position. Now the following positions are black winning position. Here black sees there is a made by knight f4 check. So clears the f4 square which is occupied by the rook. He plays rook f5. If g3, then rook g5 is mate. So he has to play e into f5, then knight f4 is mate. Here in this position, black sees diagonal check is there, bishop diagonal and queen diagonal. So he clears the knight which is standing on d4 by knight e2 check. So if bishop into e2, then bishop d4 check. If king f1, queen h1 is mate. If queen f2, then bishop into f2 is clearly winning for black. Now moving on to the next position. Black sees a rook on d4 check gives him a winning position, but there is a knight standing on d4. So he clears the knight by knight f3 check. So after knight f3 check, g into f3 is forced. Here if king d3, then rook d4 is mate. So g into f3 is forced here. Even if king d1, rook into e1 is mate. So after g into f3, rook d4 check, king c1, rook into rook is mate here. Moving on to the next position, we see there is a mate on h1, that is queen h1 mate is here, but there is a bishop and a knight standing in between the diagonal. So black wants to clear the bishop and knight for giving mate on h1. He plays first bishop a6 attacking the queen. Queen into a6 is forced now. Suppose if he plays queen c2 now, black can clear the knight by knight into g3 check, h into g3, queen h1 is mate. So after queen into a6, again knight d2 check or knight g3 check wins easily. So if you place knight d2 check, bishop into d2, queen h1 is mate again. So in this position, he cleared bishop and knight. Here black sees a mate by bishop and knight. Knight on f3 is a mating position here. So he first cleared the rook by rook e1 check. So after rook e1 check, white is forced to take rook into e1. After that, he plays queen g5 check. So he clears the white queen also from the defense. So after queen g5 check, white is forced to take queen into queen. After queen into queen, knight f3 is mate. Thank you for watching.